To create the barometer, you best select the block arc, or as I call it, semi-ring. Place it in the center of your slide so you have enough working space. You will need a small circle centered below the semi-ring as the center point to place your lines, so your segments will look neat. In order to cut the semi-ring into separate parts, you need a shape, and it cannot be a line, so I choose a rectangle, then make it very thin, and additionally I remove the outline to make it even thinner. You need to align the thin rectangle with one end on your small circle and then aim for the angle you are looking for to cut your barometer. Repeat that as many times for as many segments, or fragments as it's called in PowerPoint. Now, in order to use the rectangles to cut the semicircles into fragments, select all shapes apart from the circle, which is only used as a guiding point really, then click on Format Shapes and then choose the option Fragment. This will split all the shapes into fragments at the overlapping parts. Remove all the unnecessary elements, including the circle, and you're left with your barometer fragments, which you can color in your own corporate theme colors.